Ooh, that would hurt if it landed on my head. This is the box puzzle from Hanayama. It's a level 2 puzzle by their standards, so I guess that means it's a 6 by the Puzzle Master's standard. And it looks like a sequential type of thing. Basically, you have to start here and somehow get it out of the box, get this ring out of the box. Now the box has all of these grooves seemingly randomly dispersed around the edges, various edges of the box, and this ring with a little edge that presumably you can put into the grooves. Yes. So I don't know how many moves there are or how long this is going to take, but probably it's going to be very easy once I figure it out, but getting there, who knows how many bad roads you can go down and get lost. It's a maze, definitely a maze. So you've got start here, there's no finish, but you do, and the side is exactly identical on each side, except for the top where there is a groove on the right side. And the back has box here. So it's pretty easy to orient. I'm, as usual, going to start with keeping the box in this position as much as possible while I solve it so that I don't get confused. So the first move has got to be here because that's the only possible entry. So let's try that. Yes, okay, so here we go. Okay, so that is the box puzzle by Hanayama. Solved!